My name is Christine, and I live in Kensington, Maryland, and this is my kitchen. I contacted a designer who had worked with KBR before, and she highly recommended KBR. KBR, when we first talked to them, seemed interested, responsive, and highly competent, so they were the winners among those that we interviewed. I would say that KBR's best quality is that their communications with you during the project are incredible, and they seem to genuinely care that you're happy. Fatih was incredibly responsive. He was willing to talk and as well make compromises, and just was a pleasure to work with. My husband at first was of the opinion that he would do anything I wanted but didn't think it was necessary, and when we finished it, he said it was greatly improved and he was happy we did it. I would recommend and have recommended KBR to a friend. Their communication is what they're really very good at. They stay in touch with you, you always know where they are, and they keep you up to date. A definite plus. As soon as we need another project, we'll give them a call, definitely.